Polar coordinates. We are familiar with the rectangular coordinate system. We have two axes, x and y. We have a point somewhere here, P. Then from this intersection called origin, we go say x, some units to the right, and from here we go some units to along y-axis and get this point. Okay, and this is pxy. Okay, this is also an order pair pxy. That's the rectangular, because we basically create a rectangle to get to the point. But in this section we are trying to use polar coordinates. For the same point, we start from the same kind of origin, but we say that's the pole, and it's like the x-axis, polar axis. Suppose we have a point somewhere here, let's say here. Then that point is denoted by an order pair r theta. R means the distance from the pole to that point. Okay, it can go all the way, but this distance is r, and this positive angle is theta. So this is how we locate a point in polar coordinate system. Okay, suppose we have a point, let's say p 2 pi over 4, then we have polar axis. 2 means from here we have 2 units at the angle of pi over 4 with polar axis. So from here we go pi over 4 somewhere here, and the distance will be from here 1 unit, 2 units here. So this is p 2 pi over 4. Okay, suppose we have a point like this, p negative 2 pi over 4. It will be the same thing. Now negative means the opposite direction. Okay, so in this case that's the pole, so we have to go pi over 4, and this would have been the positive, but negative 2 means we have to go other way, 1 2. So this is pi over 4, and this point is p negative 2 pi over 4. Okay, this is pi over 4. Now we would like to find the relationship between this polar coordinate system and rectangular coordinate system. Here we have x, y, x direction, y direction. Here we have angle theta and kind of radius r, the distance. Okay, suppose we are given x and y, then how do we find r theta? Or sometimes if r and theta are known, then how do you find xy? So to find xy, if r and theta are given, so this is the point, so this would have been r and this would be theta, and this is a right triangle, and as we know, sine theta is y over r, and cosine theta is x over r. So sine theta over 1 we can cross multiply, cosine theta over 1 we can cross multiply. In this way, if r and theta are given, then we can find xy. So x is r cosine theta and y is r sine theta. Okay, these are the formulas to change polar to rectangular. But if we have x and y are given, then how do we find theta and r? So this is a right triangle. Using the Pythagorean theorem, then r square is x squared plus y squared, then r is square root of x squared plus y squared, and y, this is x, y over x, that's the tangent. So tangent theta equals y over x. So these are the two formulas, two relations we use to find r and theta. Now the value of theta depends on where the point is. It could be on the first, second, third or fourth quadrant. Okay, final